Hi, I welcome you back to my channel. So अभी currently like autumn break की classes चल रही थी, extra classes. For straight 5 hours we were studying accounts and BST like with a break of half an hour. But I would say it was quite hectic. Like last का 1 घंटा तो I was like कि भाई अब तो मुझे घर भेज दो बस. But now it ended. But now that मेरी classes खत्म हो चुकी है और अगले 5 दिन में मेरे start हो रहे हैं mid terms, so I have to prepare for that. We are actually going to study. Like I'm going to start with accountancy with CBSE questions. Then I'm going to end this all plan with notes. So let's get it all started. Today I am really motivated to study accounts. I'm stuck with notes. Like I was making notes by myself and now I'm stuck with topics like I don't really understand that topic and I have to study that again. Now I will have my dinner, then I will start it again. So I'm going to review the material. You know, it feels so good when you know exactly what's going on. Sometimes I freak out when I don't know what's going on there. I'm kind of person who can score full in mathematics but I lose my marks in English. Like I literally forget the story of literature part. I don't even review them. So today I'm going to reread the whole stories because I'm being honest, I forget all the stories. I'm so bad with stories. I can't even remember the character's name. I can already feel the warmth of winters in my bones. Currently I'm focusing on my weak topics because I know they can literally ruin my whole paper with just 1 or 2 questions. I'm going to enjoy the coffee over its Copico. It's cappuccino flavor, so of course I'm gonna have that. Actually, I just like it not because of the taste but because of the way it looks. It looks so good. So yeah, we're getting back to studying. I know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. No, I'm sure what I'm going to do. I just don't remember what I'm going to do. So I'm going to look at my to-do list again. So yeah, this is my to-do list. I know I have changed my to-do list like 3 or 4 times in this year, but yeah, that's me. टीचर टोल्ड अस कि अपनी प्रैक्टिकल फाइल सबमिट कर दो और मेरी अभी भी 3 प्रैक्टिकल फाइल्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है. लाइक मैंने 2 कर लिए, उसमें कुछ माइनर डिटेल्स ऐड करनी होगी, देन वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. बट बाकी 3 प्रैक्टिकल फाइल्स वो तो मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. लाइक इंग्लिश और मैथमेटिक्स की तो मैंने फिर भी कुछ उनमें किया है. सारी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको बस कंपाइल करना है और अपनी प्रैक्टिकल फाइल में ऐड करना है, फिर वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन अबाउट अकाउंट्स I haven't done anything, like anything. मैंने बस अपनी कंपनी डिसाइड की है, बाकी मैंने उसमें कुछ भी नहीं किया. So I have to prepare that all. It's going to be really hectic. Nowadays I'm busy, like we have to prepare our practical files, then I'm having like my midterms after these vacations and then once the midterms end we're gonna have our first pre-board. So I can't really be consistent on YouTube nowadays, but I'm sure once my midterms end I'll be consistent on YouTube and this will be 2nd or 3rd video I'm going to upload after being consistent. haven't even touched that subject. So I don't have much time to go through all the questions of book. I'm going to do PYQs, only PYQs, and I'm going to clear my concepts, like revise them again, and then I'm not going to do anything in that. When I study, I have to revise all this stuff, and I have a lot of entries to do, a lot of accounts to make, a lot of questions to get done before my exam, because I have day after tomorrow exam of accounts, like a midterm, and I don't even know what to do with that because I am seriously 3 chapters behind the syllabus. Thank you so much for watching this video, and from now on I'll be very consistent on YouTube. Like, I have a bunch of videos which I just have to edit and post, so I'll be very consistent with my videos. And if you like the video, subscribe that, be a part of this community. We're gonna share a journey here. I'm gonna coming up with motivation videos, study vlogs. I'm literally going to share my journey with you people as a teenager. So yeah, bye, meet you in the next one.